Hello guys. Today we're taking a look at the Dell 15-inch DC15255, a budget-friendly laptop that's honestly built to be a reliable everyday workhorse. Right away, it stands out with a clean, professional design that doesn't try too hard. The simple carbon black chassis feels sturdy enough for daily commuting, school, or just tossing into a backpack without stressing about it. What really adds value here is the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, which gives you wide viewing angles and better color than older budget panels. And the surprise bonus is the 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling, switching apps, and even light gaming feel super smooth instead of choppy. That kind of fluid screen experience is something you usually only see on more expensive machines. Under the hood, you're typically working with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, which is more than capable for real-world multitasking. Whether you've got a bunch of browser tabs open, music streaming, and documents running at the same time, it stays responsive. Pair that with a 512GB SSD, and everything from booting Windows 11 to launching apps feels quick and modern. Most models also come with 8GB of RAM, which is solid for everyday work, though heavy multitaskers might prefer 16GB. Dell also nails practicality with a full-sized keyboard and numeric keypad, which is perfect for spreadsheets or data entry. The trackpad supports smooth Windows gestures, and the lifted hinge design improves typing comfort while boosting airflow underneath. For ports, you get USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, and even an SD card reader, which is super handy. Battery life is decent at around a few hours, and Express Charge helps you top up fast when you're on the go. Overall, the Dell DC15255 feels like a smart, dependable choice for students, office users, and anyone who wants a smooth everyday laptop without overspending.